Hello guys, in today's video we are going to present to you the final survival plan available in the market today. The final survival plan is a step-by-step guide on keeping you and your family safe and snug during disasters. Disasters come in many forms today, and we have no choice but to face them. The final survival plan is a guide meant to help you go through disasters when they come and come out of them successfully. After observing how millions of people were dying because of different forms of disasters, the author wrote the guide. He thus produced it to shed light on important life skills people can equip themselves with to handle disasters and crises and the stress that comes with them. The program is available online, and anyone can download it and benefit from its promising gems. All one needs is some level of compliance and commitment to the suggestions presented in the book. The book is available in electronic PDF format, book. The book is downloadable in this format and can be accessed anywhere. The book was authored by John Stone, who is a 65-year-old American historian. He hails from Wichita, Kansas. The book is a product of 20 years of research by John Stone. Of course, like any other work of art, the final survival plan was not an easy task. The program is designed to help you and your family keep safe in times of disaster. With the advice closely followed, you can live a completely anxiety-free life. Regardless of whether the disaster is a storm, wildfire, hurricane, flood, or bomb blast, the final survival plan can assist you and your loved ones keep safe. In fact, with the book, you are completely equipped with all that it takes to survive a disaster. You just need to follow the provided guidelines. Additionally, John Stone's final survival plan enlightens you on the best first aid practices for any injury you may incur in times of a disaster. Ailments, viruses, bacteria, and infections are also countered through the book's effective approaches and techniques. Besides, the author wanted the program to help everyone without a struggle. Thus, he made the solutions to every situation of emergency really simple but effective. The survival plan is used to help Americans prepare to survive and have a glimpse of what it means to live in a limited resource country. It is not always normal that people get to the pandemic level of being prepared, but this plan will give the techniques used in most states that have to deal with a predicted tsunami or an earthquake. It offers the best preventive measures to everyone that wants to be successful in making it with limited resources. It is always good to be prepared than just waiting on negativity to screw your family. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We have included the link in the description below. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the daily video notification. Thank you for watching this video.